Hello everyone, this is dietitian Smeetal Parera wishing all a very happy World Food Day. 16th October is celebrated as World Food Day in honor of the date of foundation of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations in 1945. Since 1981, World Food Day has adopted different themes each year revolving around agriculture in order to highlight areas needed for action and provide a common focus. The theme for World Food Day 2020 is Grow, Nourish, Sustain Together. Every step taken to ensure that a variety of food is grown to meet the nutritional requirements of the growing population and sustaining the planet together is important at international, national as well as an individual level. Let us reflect on each word of this year's theme and pledge to take steps to apply the same, as this will have a greater impact on the future of our planet Earth. The first word is grow. Growing food in a home garden provides many benefits, including improved health, high quality and quantity production of healthy foods, enhanced social networks and cultural sharing. Example, you could grow fruit plants such as papaya, mango, melons or even gourd vegetables in the kitchen garden and look after them well. Once it starts to fruit, share the excess with your friends and neighbors to spread the thought of them creating a kitchen garden themselves too. The next word is nourish. Choose healthy, diverse and seasonal foods. A healthy diet includes moderation, variety and balance. A healthy meal pattern includes plenty of plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, a variety of protein foods including meats and its plant-based alternatives like legumes, nuts, seeds and soya, as well as dairy products. As a consumer, you could choose to consume only seasonal foods so that it reduces the amount of resources needed to bring foods from afar. Eating a variety of diverse food will help drive their demand and help ensure agricultural biodiversity is favored. Agricultural biodiversity helps promote sustainability of our food supply and availability of a broader selection of food to promote good nutrition. Example, consume seasonal fruits instead of creating a demand for non-seasonal fruits. Also, ensure to include foods from each food group such as cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, nuts and dry fruits, and milk products in your diet. The next word is sustain. Choose local foods. You can help strengthen your local food system by shopping at farmers market, where farmers and local vendors sell their fresh, high quality foods for fair prices that honor their efforts and the care put into growing and making delicious and nutritious food. The final word to reflect upon is together. Learn about agriculture and join initiatives that promote the well-being of farmers. A great place to meet people and learn more about healthy, sustainable and resilient food systems is at a Food Policy Council meeting, which is open for the public. The Extension Healthy Food System team provides resources and educational opportunities. Check to expand your knowledge and skills as a food citizen. Let us vow together to do our bit to create awareness about food and nutrition and promoting the growth, nourishment and sustainability of our food system, because together we can do a great difference. And World Food Day is a great time to start. It is a delight to inform you all that today is the 5 years mark since I received the Dr. K.U. Naram Award on World Food Day of 2015 for academic excellence. Thank you.